Hey everyone, Mr. Sujano here. In today's video, we're going to talk about RetroArch on Steam. Let's get started. So this is not a video about how to install RetroArch on a Steam link. This is a full-blown version of RetroArch available right on Steam for Windows. So earlier this month, RetroArch posted a news article stating that RetroArch would be available on Steam in July. And then today they just posted an update saying that it is slightly delayed. There still seems to be a bit of development that needs to occur. And by slight delay, they mean slight delay. They say Q3 2019, which is July, August, September. And considering a lot of people didn't know about this before July, we're almost at the end of the month. What's the real big deal about waiting an extra month and a half? Now, if you already have RetroArch installed on your PC, this version of RetroArch won't be much different. Right now, they're not really taking advantage of any of Steam's features, but that apparently will come in the future. And this is pretty huge. Now, some people might say, well, I can just download RetroArch and play it on a side. Yes, you can. Or you could have it integrated with Steam, make it very easy. Especially if it's auto updating, maybe there's cloud saves involved, maybe online multiplayer will be a little easier if you want to invite someone from your Steam friends list. The possibilities right now seem very endless. And now there's a lot of misinformation out there regarding whether or not this is allowed on the Steam store. First and foremost, you're not getting any free ROMs with this. This is strictly the emulation package offered by Libretro or RetroArch. You still will have to supply your ROMs, which you can actually legally purchase right on Steam. And if you don't believe me, check out Sega Mega Drive and Genesis Classics. They're essentially selling you 59 ROMs. And these ROMs are included when you install the game. You can actually just pick them right out of the file. Another added benefit I can see is potentially some small-time game developers who still develop games for like the N64 and SNES and can probably sell those ROMs on Steam to work with RetroArch. Now, I'll definitely be doing more videos once RetroArch is officially released on Steam. I'll be testing it out, giving my opinion on it, which hopefully is good. Anyways, that's all I've got for today. If you liked the video, leave a like. If you didn't like the video, leave a like, hit that subscribe button, check out my other videos, and let me know what you think about this RetroArch on Steam in the comments below. Thank you, everyone. Take care.